iOS 18 Live Wallpaper Hack. Turn your iPhone into a masterpiece. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hack to transform your iPhone into a true masterpiece using the Live Wallpaper feature in iOS 18. So stick around till the end to learn how to unlock the full potential of this feature. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Wallpaper option. Select Choose a new wallpaper. And then tap on the Live Photos section. Pick a live photo from your library, or you can download one from a trusted source. Adjust the position and size of the photo to fit your screen. Tap at the three dots here. Then select the depth effect to maximize the beauty of the wallpaper. Finally, tap at the Add icon at the right top corner of screen and choose whether you want it for your lock screen, home screen, or both. Go back to the home screen, scroll down from top left corner to check the wallpaper. Enjoy your iPhone's new personalized look. And there you have it, guys. A quick and easy way to turn your iPhone into a masterpiece with live wallpapers on iOS 18. This hack not only enhances your phone's aesthetics, but also makes it uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.